So when you're looking at a bumblebee's antenna, let's do it here. There's some stuff here that connects to the head. That's not really important to know. There's this long segment called the scape. So S-C-A-P-E. That's the scape. And then there's this sort of, well, when I look at it in the field, it looks like a round, small ball to me, but it's, it's a little more complicated than that, and that's called the pedicel. P-E-D-I-C-E-L. And then there's this long whip-like portion after the pedicel, and this whole thing from the pedicel all the way to the end is called the flagellum. That's F-L-A-G-E-L-L-U-M. And the reason why you should care about this is that it helps determine the sex of your bumblebee when you find it. So female bumblebees will have 10 of these segments here. Let's see if I can draw it so it works out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a female bee. And if I add one more, it's a male bee. Yeah, it's the difference. I don't know how true it is. Sometimes it's hard to tell where the segment is. And if you do that, if you come with that problem, you can sort of count the bulges, so you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. And another point that I want to make is that this segment right here, sort of if we blow that up, I don't know if it's true for all bees, but it's definitely true for the ones that I've seen so far. It's kind of like a bottle. What do they call it? It looks like it funnels down to the pedicel, and then it ends. So this is the segment that you start counting on if you want to skip the pedicel and the scape. Other than that, yeah, it's just one segment difference between a male and a female. Also, you can notice how this antenna sort of is like elbowed. They call it elbow a lot when they're talking about bumblebee anatomy in the literature. That's a lot different from, say, antennae that look like this. And there are a lot of flies out there that mimic bumblebees. And if you have little itty bitty short stubby antenna, you're not a bumblebee. You have to have this thing to be a bumblebee. Thank you.